Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty or Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, I'm going to work on my guest bathroom. As you can see the before guys, the mirror didn't look pretty at all. If you are bougie like me and you're on budget, this video is definitely for you. When I moved in, the first thing I did, I changed the light bulb, but I still wasn't satisfied with it. The vanity light I'm supposed to use in this bathroom, something has happened to it during transit, so I'm going to use this light in the guest bathroom instead. This is a partial video collab with Sigil, so as you already know guys, I have a lot of kids. I have 4 beautiful children, 3 boys and 1 girl, and a grandson. I know everything about toys, believe me. Kid choose, mom approve. So this toy, I really like it for my children because it's a 4-wheel drive. As you can see, they have a variety of colors. If you don't like the green one, you can choose the other color that you prefer. And the best part about it, it comes with a charger for me to charge the car. Save me a lot of money buying batteries. Guys, if you have kids, you know what I'm talking about. My son loved the car so much guys, you don't have no idea. This stunt car is very suitable for boys and girls, birthday gifts, spring, Christmas gift, any occasion. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below for you guys to check it out. My home is super small from the inside guys. Fortunately, I have a big driveway for my kids to play. As you can see the car outside guys, my son was having fun. People always ask me, how you keep your home clean with so many kids? I always reward my children. Whenever they do something good, they keep the house clean, they clean after them, and I reward them. That's how I know a lot about toys. This stunt car guys is good for the price. I think you should buy it. Your little one will be happy. Guys, I'm always working, so whenever I have time, I always spend quality time with my kids. So I had a lot of fun playing with my son. Okay guys, let's start to work and keep on watching. For this bathroom, I'm using the gray and white contact paper. This one I already had it at the house. I got it from Amazon years ago, like 2 years ago. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below for you guys if you guys want to recreate the look. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, I do my nails, home decor, clean with me, DIY, and I'm going to start working on nursing vlog right now. I'm a new nurse. I recently graduated from nursing school. And if you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so right now. And to all my current subscribers, my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys. I would never be where I am today without you. I'm truly grateful for all of you. And keep on watching. When I'm working with my contact paper, I always find the pattern. As you can see guys, I'm searching for the pattern. I'm not worried about the top part or the bottom part. I'm worried about the pattern that can be like, it's gonna look the same even it's small contact paper. I don't like to see the line, as you can see what I'm doing right now. So it's very important. Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde, bienvenue sur channel moi. Si vous la première fois, moi c'est tout bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager. Channel ça, c'est une chaîne télé liée. Ou à venir toute bagarre là, moi faire cheveux, moi faire zong, moi clean, moi faire moi ka remanier bagay, moi ka faire un pile bagay. Et moi c'est un cosmétologiste, moi j'ai licence pour lui et puis moi c'est une infirmière. Moi, je fais mon belle et moi, je prends soin de mon. Tous les deux métiers complémentaires, y'en a l'autre. C'est pas la première fois ou là, moi, je merci un peu pour le support. Merci un peu parce que vous toujours venu supporter moi. Merci un peu parce que vous toujours continuez à regarder vidéo ou continuez à partager vidéo. Après, bon Dieu dans le ciel, là, moi, je vais côté mieux sans nous-mêmes. Merci un peu. Continuez à regarder vidéo. Okay guys, let's move on to the cabinet. I wanted to change it black because I've been having white so much. So I want to check it out to see how I would love it. This one, I have it, like I said, like 2 years ago. I buy those things, they were on sale. So I have them sit there without doing nothing. Just want to advise you guys, if you're not patient, don't do it. Because in order for me to get the shape of the cabinet door, it take me a super long time. I cut the video so for respect of your time, but it take me super long to find the shape so I can come with the door very perfectly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to let the music play. Please watch the video till the end so you can see the final result. Keep on watching.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love.
It was a bit challenging to do this side because there wasn't no room for me. I love what I did in the master bathroom. That's why I decided to recreate the same look. The mirror towel was on sale. I paid $41 for the box, and the original price was $69.
Something real, I'm going crazy. Like, what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless.
This is my favorite tool, and the towel from Walmart, the box from my previous DIY when I did my beauty room, and this one I didn't know it was going to be enough. I ordered another box, but now the color is slightly different from the previous one, and I ordered exactly the same thing. I'm not sure. Guys, when I'm doing my peeling stick, I don't have time for all the fancy cutting. I always take my shortcut. So far, it works for me. I'm not a professional, and that's the way I do my stuff. I just place the towel and mark it with the tool. And afterward, I just cut it. And then it's so easy. I always have the exact measure that I need. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and keep on watching.
Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci, je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Et à tous mes abonnés, merci beaucoup pour votre support. Je vous aime de tout cœur. N'oubliez pas de me laisser un petit commentaire, ça me fait un grand plaisir. Merci beaucoup.
Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Like it is, bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
This is the finish look, guys. If you like it the way I do, don't forget to smash me with some thumbs up and share it. Hard work always paid off. Oh my god, I'm so in love with the bathroom right now. Let me know in the comment below.
I think I'm trying to find my purpose, cause I feel upside down. There's a face in the mirror I think I know. I guess I'm starting to see some things that I never thought I would. There ain't no looking away, you're who you are. Alright, starlight, say what you will, say what you want. I won't grow up, I will come around. Say what you feel, say anything. I'ma hold on till I can.
This is the guest bathroom. Whenever somebody coming over, that's the main bathroom they're going to use. I figured it needed more of my attention than the master bathroom, so that's why I put the light on it. Let me know what you guys think.
You can lose yourself in your faith, or come washing up on shore. And I've been here before, I think I've told you. Alright, starlight, say what you will, say what you want. I won't grow up, I will come around. Say what you feel, say anything. I'ma hold on till I can let go. Be my fire, take my hand. You wanna stay in the promised land, where all the things you want to feel you are. Chase that morning, close your eyes. You wanna wake up where there's no goodbyes, and all your numbered days return to one. So I'll just stop and say what you will, say what you want. I won't grow up, I will come around on your face.
to let every single one of you know whenever I'm counting my blessing, you guys are a very big part of it. Thank you so much for taking your time watching this video. I love you so very much, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!